Let me see. Probably Dusty D-Pot, Dip, whatever. Only pistols. What if we win? OP. Wait, is that a pistol? Are we there? Oh shoot, it's a blue pump too. It's a blue pump. Oh my god. Damn. Oh my god. We could drink minis, right? Down that blue pump though. Hey, I got a minute. Oh yeah. Alright, but. Oh my god. I'm finna cover it up so nobody can get it. Oh my god. People, I got a pistol. Wait, you got a pistol? I already got one. I got a green pistol already. It's dope. Get some kills. Gotta think. Is this a pistol? The revolver? Hey, fool, somebody on me, somebody on me. Damn. Dude. Oh, I got you. I heard that. I heard the loot fall out. Damn. Is that revolver, what's called? A pistol? I bet. Them might feel. Oh. Heck, you know I'm dead, cuz. I might fell off. We can use traps or no? Alright. Alright, here go bandages over here. Dang, hey, you need some mats cause I got 400 wood. I got 205. Bet, appreciate it. That boy fail. You said what? I suppressed pistol, bitch. I, bet. Oh my god. No, I try to build. Oh my god. Oh, you gotta go. I see.